Watching children grow is a joy. Only child rearing and education cost. Did you budget child support? You may pay it whether you're married or not. How child support is calculated in Switzerland, you will learn in this video. My name is Tamara Freiner. I am an independent attorney at law in the canton of Zurich. If this video appeals to you, please like and share it. The child is entitled to appropriate alimony. Child support covers the reasonable cost of living. It is to be calculated according to the two-tier method. A distinction must be made between maintenance in kind, cash maintenance, and child care maintenance. Maintenance in kind, in German Naturalunterhalt, is provided by the person who lives with the minor child and actually takes care of him or her. Cash maintenance, in German Barunterhalt, means the cash expenses to provide the goods necessary for the child. This also includes third-party care expenses. Child care maintenance or maintenance for caretakership, in German Betreuungsunterhalt, means expenses incurred when a parent cares for a child. In the case of child support, care maintenance may be owed in addition to cash maintenance if one parent primarily cares for the minor. The cost of living method applies. The use of quotas is no longer permissible. For child care maintenance, Betreuungsunterhalt in German, the difference between the net earnings and the subsistence minimum needs of the parent providing care is decisive. Assume being on the breadline. The need is determined based on the guidelines for calculating the subsistence minimum on the debt collection law. In case of favorable financial circumstances, the subsistence minimum on the family law is extended, and the need is supplemented by adding various items. The cost of living is determined as follows, whereby the minimum subsistence level on the debt collection law is to be taken as a basis. We start with the basic amount and add for each child its share of the housing costs to be deducted from the housing cost of the custodian. We also add costs for someone else looking after the minor and health insurance premiums, tuition, special healthcare costs. If there are sufficient financial means, the child's need may be included a tax share, possibly another housing cost share, furthermore relevant health insurance premiums, communication costs, further education costs, as well as costs for visitation right. It is not permissible to multiply the basic amount or to use average values from a table of child costs or to factor in additional items such as travel, hobbies, etc. This extravagant living must be financed from the share of the surplus. The children's income needs to be assessed. It can include own income, allowance for children and for education, as well as scholarships. Subsequently, the income is to be compared to the cost of living. A deficit or a surplus may result. A saving quota is to be deducted from the surplus. The surplus is distributed according to large and small heads between parents and minor children. A deviation must be justified. In the case of maintenance for children of full age, the minimum subsistence level on the family law, including education costs, is to be deducted. There is no participation right to a share in the surplus. What is your personal situation? Please note the ages and living expenses of your children. Do you desire a just, amicable, modern divorce that you negotiate on your own terms? You need professional preparation, a strategy, and someone on your side for support. Please contact me for a joint conversation. And also follow me on social media to be up to date and not to miss any news or insights. Thank you.